Hi, my name's Bob Lindy. I'm an herbalist and an herb grower. Today I'm going to talk to you about field guides for gardening. So it's important that we don't just get a generalized field guide, but actually you want to try to find a field guide that's specific to your particular location as well as to the type of gardening that you want to do. Some people like to garden growing particular exotic species and tropical plants. Other people want to grow vegetables. Some people want to grow fruit trees, or you might want to be growing medicinal herbs and culinary herbs like I do. In my case, I actually am in Florida, which is a very unique growing area. So there's a lot of plants and a lot of growing conditions that don't exist in the rest of the growing regions in the United States. So I have to find specialized books for not only Florida, but actually the west coast of Florida, because of so many unique climate issues, as well as soil conditions that we deal with on a regular basis. Or if you want to take a completely different approach, and one that I encourage everyone to pursue, is actually look at the native plants that already grow and exist in your area that are beneficial for not only all the different animals and birds and beneficial insects in your area, but also can be a wonderful supply of food for you. So many of those local indigenous plants are good to eat, are beautiful landscape plants, and can be ever so helpful. So check the local field guides that are unique to your particular area. Check with your county extension, community gardens, and of course your local garden supply store may have the best recommendations for what to grow. This is Bob Lindy talking to you about all the different unique field guides that you can use to do better gardening in your area.